Great job! Okay, but to make sure, let's try it one more time. But now, I need your participation. So you have to tell me, where do you want me to place this other piece of banana? Sa middle ba o sa left? Middle, okay. Shirley, we are ready again. Okay, hey, again. How about a nice one of love for Shirley? Together with our trainer Jackie. Shirley, you can go back to the top now. Bye, Shirley. Wow, just not bad. Anong paano naman natin si Shirley? Just enough. Based on my lap and down Jackie. Sounds like a goose and an eagle, right? Well, she may not be a talented singer, but she has a pretty face and graceful inside. So, shut up, Charlie. Okay? No, Charlie. Wow, welcome job, well done. Yes? No, Charlie? Alright, so guys, how about a big hand for Charlie? Good job with our prayer,